वास्को मांगूर हिलांत कोविड दुयेंती मेळिल्ल्यान मुरगांवांतले चारूय मतदारसंघातले लोक त्रासान आसात. देखून वास्को लॉकडावन करपाची गरज आसा अशी मागणी कुठ्ठाळेचे आमदार आलिना साल्दानान सरकारा कडेन केल्या. एकाच वाठारांत शेकड्यांनी कोविड दुयेंती मेळप ल्हान गजाल न्ही अशें आलिना साल्दाना म्हणटा.
This is a very worrying and a very disturbing situation, and I think all of us together have to ensure that we do whatever it takes to stop this spread. Now, most worrying for me is the fact that Mangor Hill is very close to Zwarinagar. Both these areas have people who know each other and they are visiting each other, and therefore there is every possibility of this disease spreading like wildfire. And therefore I think I definitely second the suggestion of MLA Carlos Almeida, who said that the Vasco city should be locked down. It has to be locked down. We have to ensure that there is no intermingling of people who have not been tested and who we don't know whether they are infected or not. So the only way is to ensure that a total lockdown, the way it was done during lockdown 1 and 2 and 3, where I think Goa was safe because everybody knew that there was a definite set of rules that they had to follow. This has to be done more now than ever before, because Goa is now out of the green zone into, I think, the orange zone or the red zone.
गोंय आतां ग्रीन झोन उरिल्लें ना. तशेंच गोंयान येवपी लोकांची चांचणी नाक्याचेर करिनात हें गोंयान घडिल्ल्या कांय गजाली वेल्यान खरें जालां. देखून गोंय सरकारान गोंयान येवपी तशेंच गोंयांतल्यान हेर राज्यांत प्रवास करपी प्रवाशांक गोंय पुलिसांनी शिमेर व्हरून सोडचो आदेश पुलिशेक दिवचो अशी मागणी आमदार आलिना साल्दानान केल्या.
This was a very alarming experience for me to see that the migrants coming into the state of Goa from Patra Devi, those who have to go to the south of Goa, coming straight without undergoing any check whether they are infected or not, coming straight from Patra Devi they are supposed to go to the district hospital for checking. Unfortunately, they take a stop at Kortali under the bridge without being checked. Nobody knows who they are, and what upsets me most is that the villagers of Kortali have their bus stop at that same point. So I was shocked to see these migrants coming from Patra Devi and the people of Kortali literally rubbing shoulders with each other, and the people of Kortali exposing themselves to the risk of getting infected with COVID-19. And most unfortunate is that at that point of time, on 2 or 3 different occasions, I found these migrants gathered together under the Zuari bridge in Kortali, and there was no police escort whatsoever. I think this was the height of irresponsibility. And I was also told that the police from Agasai have told them to go to Kortali and wait under Zuari bridge. Now this is very wrong. I think the movement of these people who come from the Maharashtra state into Goa via Patra Devi, this movement should be continuous, and there should be continuous escort by the police to ensure that these new entrants into the state of Goa go straight to the hospital to be checked whether they are COVID-19 positive or not. We cannot allow these new entrants to come into the state of Goa, and in some areas they may be without any police escort. How are we to know whether these new entrants have gone to some shop, to have a cup of tea, or gone to a store to buy something and have not transmitted the infection. So to avoid this risk, it is better if we have the checking done at the entry point. Or else, if it is not possible for some very definite and serious reasons, then we have to ensure that the police escort these people right from Patra Devi, if they're coming to the south Goa District Hospital. And there should be no stopping at any point along the route, because stopping at any point is exposing the people of the area to the risk of infection.